Prepare to be astounded, as a mysterious site in South Africa, known as Adam's Calendar, is believed to be tens of thousands of years older than both Europe's Stonehenge and the Egyptian Great Pyramid of Giza, making it one of the oldest man-made structures on Earth. What's so exceptional about this site is that some researchers believe it may have been used as a hub for sound healing purposes. This conclusion was arrived upon after it was uncovered that these stones were strategically positioned to create acoustic patterns that form unique sound frequencies. This has led to a wave of excitement among experts who are trying to unravel the secrets of this mystical place. Can you imagine the potential this discovery holds? The idea that ancient civilizations might have used sound as a way to heal or connect with the spiritual world is fascinating and is a reminder that our ancestors were far more advanced than we give them credit for. This breathtaking wonder is a massive standing stone circle that spans 30 meters in diameter and is located deep in the heart of Mpumalanga in South Africa. The megalithic stone circle is a rare and unique example of a fully functioning and mostly intact astronomical calendar. But this isn't just any ancient site, as it's estimated to be over 75,000 years old, and its original shape can still be seen from satellite images. There stand at its center two magnificent upright stones, intricately carved and shrouded in mystery. These stones, all crafted from dolomite, are a staggering 5 tons each and are thought to have been transported from a distant location. The Adam's Calendar site has been found to have various astronomical alignments, and its discovery challenges many long-held assumptions about the history of human civilization. It suggests that there may have been ancient cultures that were far more advanced than previously thought, and that these cultures may have had a significant impact on the development of human society. Originally, it was thought to be the remains of kraals left by African tribes as they moved south in the 13th century. However, researchers have concluded that it was once an astronomical observatory and a possible ancient religious temple. Remarkably, up to 20,000 similar structures have been discovered throughout the region, and even more astonishing, the calendar still works today, with the setting sun casting shadows on the rocks and revealing the changing seasons and times. According to isiZulu elders, this site is called the birthplace of the sun, and the community's ceremonies are still held here. It is also believed that the calendar stones can receive energy from other ancient sites around the world, and as with many other stone monuments, Adam's Calendar loosely aligns with the celestial world, and it remains a testament to the incredible ingenuity of our ancient ancestors. By determining when Orion's belt was in a horizontal position against the horizon, researchers estimated when the 3 stones in the calendar were aligned with these stars. Based on astronomer Bill Hullenbach's calculations using the rise of Orion, the site was believed to be at least 75,000 years old. A more recent calculation done in June 2009 suggested an age of at least 160,000 years, taking into account the erosion of dolerite stones found at the site. Some marker stones had broken off and were exposed to natural erosion, and when pieced back together, about 3 centimeters of stone had already worn away. The site was first brought to public attention in 2003 after a South African pilot, Johan Hein, crashed his plane in the mountains of Mpumalanga. After rescuing his crew member, Johan noticed strange circular stone objects scattered throughout the region and began photographing them. Upon walking over to some nearby stone monoliths, he realized that they were aligned to the cardinal points, north, south, east, and west, and behind them lay a giant stone circle. This led him to believe that they might be the remains of a long-lost ancient civilization. He then contacted Michael Tellinger, an author and researcher, and they both began to investigate the site. Further inspection revealed stones aligned with the equinoxes and solstices, as well as 3 stones aligned with the sunrise and a hole in the ground on the west side. It was then that Johan realized that he had discovered a calendar, possibly one of the oldest in the world, which was named Adam's Calendar. Johan Hein and Michael Tellinger noted that the taller rock casts its shadow on a nearby flat rock, measuring the months by the changing shadow across the complete surface of the rock over a 12-month period. Refuting claims that the rocks are insignificant, they observed that the bedrock in the area is black reef cordite, while the monoliths are dolomite, implying that they were transported from elsewhere. Furthermore, the monoliths stand in precise geometric positions and line up exactly with the cardinal directions. One of the most intriguing recent discoveries at the site centers around sound frequencies. Tellinger and his team discovered that the stones at the site emit a unique sound frequency when struck, which is similar to the sound of a bell. Thanks to modern technology, scientists have been able to identify and measure sound frequencies that possess acoustic properties and can conduct electricity. Some of the stones at the site may have been strategically positioned to replicate these acoustic patterns as they surface, giving rise to the circular patterns. This has led some researchers to speculate that the site may have been used as a musical instrument or for sound healing purposes. Despite the best efforts of researchers and scientists, the true secrets of Adam's calendar remain elusive. The possibilities are endless, and one thing is for sure, this site in South Africa continues to captivate and intrigue people from around the world. These ancient stones also stand as a reminder of our mysterious past and the many questions that still remain unanswered.